Hi, Peter here from Maison Real Estate. Did you know that homes in need of renovation are in huge demand from buyers willing to pay a premium price at the moment? Whether it's just cosmetic work or a full renovation or even somewhere in between. Not everyone has the time, the money, the ability or even the inclination to do the work, and there are more buyers around now who are willing and eager to take on a project to put their own stamp on their home. I have recently sold several homes in the Centenary Suburbs, all of which required work, from refreshment through to a more substantial renovation. In each case, I've had several more buyers who missed out who are now on my database. They are still looking for a property and are ready and actively looking to buy a fixer-upper now. So if you have been thinking about selling but thought you had to do all the work on your property first, I just wanted to let you know that now is a great time to sell without having to do that work. Not only do I have buyers looking for property right now, but there are also a historically low number of properties available for sale. This is the ideal scenario when you want to sell, so why not explore the options? Give me a call for a free, no obligation appraisal of your property and see if selling right now is for you. I look forward to meeting you, or if you'd like to give me a call, my number is 0419 727 866. That number again, 0419 727 866. I look forward to speaking with you.